Some agro-processing units make an advance agreement with the farmers and decide to purchase the entire production of certain fruits, vegetables and medicinal plants on an agreed upon cost price. This type of arrangement is known as, the correct answer is E, that is contract farming. So, contract farming can be defined as agricultural production carried out according to an agreement between a buyer and farmers, which establishes condition for the production and marketing of a farm product or products. The farmer agrees to provide agreed quantity of a specific agriculture product. Which of the following institution recommends the minimum support price for agriculture crops? The correct answer is D, that is Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. So, MSP is fixed on recommendation of the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, an apex advisory body for pricing policy under the Ministry of Agriculture. Which of the following crop is also called the golden fiber of India? The correct answer is C, that is jute. So, jute is also known as golden fiber. That's an appropriate name for the yellowish brown shiny natural vegetable fiber produced from plants of genus Corchorus. For which of the following a BT seed has also been developed? The correct answer is C, that is cotton. So, Punjab Agriculture University has successfully developed the country's first BT cotton varieties. ICAR has identified 3 varieties, namely PAU BT1, F1861 and RS 2013 for cultivation in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and it is a cheaper alternative to BT cotton hybrid seeds. Which of the following is the most exported agricultural commodity from India in terms of value? The correct answer is B, that is rice. So, rice gives the largest export value as an agricultural commodity of India, and it is essentially from the Indian subcontinent, is long, slender and aromatic rice. So, rice gives the largest export value as an agricultural commodity of India. An export of basmati and non-basmati rice were estimated at 540 billion rupees. Cultured pearls are obtained from, the correct answer is C, that is mariculture. So, the production of cultured pearls from the black-lipped pearl oyster in the Federated States of Micronesia includes mostly beaded as well as blister and non-bead cultured and pearl in a wide array of colors. Pearl farming is carried out on 4 islands within plan for commercial production in the near future. Which of the following factors has now put a check on migration of agricultural laborer from one place to another in India? The correct answer is E, that is launch of MGNREGA and availability of employment opportunities locally. As we know, irrigation is a very crucial problem of the Indian agriculture. At present, how much area out of the total cropped area is irrigated? The correct answer is E, that is more than 45%. So, 65% of the irrigation in India is from groundwater, and currently about 51% of the agricultural area cultivating food grains is covered by irrigation, and the rest of the area is dependent on rainfall, which is most of the times unreliable and unpredictable. Which of the following knowledge can a farmer gain from Farmers Field School, being run by Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Government of India? The correct answer is D, that is both A and C only. So, the A point is methods and practices for soil fertilizer and crop management, Okay, and the third one is understand deficiency symptoms of soil nutrients. Golden Revolution refers to the development of, the correct answer is C, that is horticulture. So, the period between 1991 to 2003 is known as the period of Golden Revolution in India, and the Golden Revolution is related to the production of honey and horticulture. It is a part of the important agriculture revolution of India. Which one of the following is high digestive protein crop? The correct answer is C. So, wheat is the high digestive protein crop. Select the correct diseases plants affected at. The correct answer is B. That is, the first disease is black heart, and the plant affected, the correct answer is potato. Then the second disease is red rot. The correct answer is sugarcane. Then third one is kernel bunt, and the correct answer is wheat. And powdery mildew, the correct answer is peas. Which state in India is called milk pail of India? The correct answer is B, that is Haryana. So, Haryana is the milk pail of India. Which state in India is called egg bowl of Asia? The correct answer is D, that is Andhra Pradesh. So, Andhra Pradesh that contributes 18.7% of the country's total egg production is the largest producer of eggs, and it is closely followed by Tamil Nadu 18.3%. Tamil Nadu is 18.3% and Telangana it is 13.3%, and other states that contribute more than 5% of the country's egg production, where West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Haryana and Kerala. Which state in India is called Spice Garden of India? The correct answer is E, that is Kerala. So, Kerala is known as the Spice Garden of India, and it is located in the Western Ghats. Kerala is a coastal state and ranked as one of the cleanest state of the country. The spices are grown here have been an identification mark of the states. Which of the following soils are very fertile and are deposited by running water? The correct answer is C, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is a very fertile soil, and these soil contain an adequate proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and lime, which are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereals and pulses crops. Which of the following soils are found in India? The correct answer is E, that is all of the above. Means we will find black soil, forest soil, alluvial soil, red soil. So, there are total 7 type of soil deposits in India, and they are, the first one is alluvial soil, then black soil, then red soil, then laterite soil, then arid soil, forest and mountain soil and marsh soil. So, forest is there, red is there, black, alluvial, laterite, arid, then mountain soil, and then the last one is marsh soil. Which of the following is not a plantation crop? The correct answer is D, that is wheat. So, wheat is not a plantation crop because plantation crop are usually grown for profits. Wheat is grown in a large scale of heaters worldwide, and wheat is used as a staple food and principal crop worldwide. Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research is located in dash. The correct answer is C, that is Karnal, Haryana. Which country in the world is the leading producer of millets? The correct answer is A, that is India. So, millets are the cereal crops, generally small seeded and known as high nutritive value, and the report of comprises of production and consumption analysis of millets grown across the world, and the global millet production was estimated at 27.8 million ton. India is the largest global producer with a 41.04% global market share. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.